Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Government restores eTourist visas for 156 countries with immediate effect, revalidates long-term visas for US and Japan. Fourth wave of COVID-19 in China, Hong Kong raises alarm bells for India, check more. Dharamshala Skyway becomes operational, visitors can travel to McLeodganj in 5 minutes. Singapore Airlines resumes Airbus A380 services from Mumbai. Go First resumes Srinagar-Sharjah flight, cargo operations. New Zealand travel restrictions, border opening to fully vaccinated from next month, Jacinda Ardern says. Domestic customers will drive recovery, Marriott International's Rajiv Menon. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.